Okay, we're going to be moving on to a category that actually touches lives. It's the TCT Healthcare Application Award. The fusion of 3D printing and medical science has opened up miraculous avenues, magical avenues, from prosthetics that fit like a glove to surgical tools that can cut precisely. Right, the highly commended project in this extraordinary category is ultra-thin veneers by Boston Microfabrication in partnership with Peking University School of Stomatology and Capture Dental Arts. Congratulations to them. Now the winner of the TCT Healthcare Application Award 2024, sponsored by HP, Hewlett-Packard, is Personal Fit Breast Prosthesis by Arburg in partnership with #2.
Dallas, thank you very much. This means a hell of a lot to Arburg on our journey in the additive manufacturing world. A few thank yous, obviously, to the judging panel. Thank you very much. It means a lot to all of us. I'd like to thank our customers who did the collaboration with us, #2, my apologies. And of course, Didier von Zeppelin, who wrote the case study. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.